Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping both devices, charge them, connect to the same Wi-Fi, and update apps. On Android, install Move to iOS and make sure WhatsApp is the latest build. On the iPhone, complete initial setup until you reach the apps and data screen. You do this because Move to iOS creates a secure transfer channel and WhatsApp requires the app state to be quiescent. Once ready, open Move to iOS on Android and tap Continue on the iPhone to display the transfer code. Now you execute the transfer. Enter the numeric code shown on the iPhone into Move to iOS on your Android, then choose WhatsApp from the data selection list and start the export. Keep both devices unlocked and on the same network because interruptions break the secure tunnel. The process can take minutes to hours depending on chat size and media. You avoid Google Drive backups because Move to iOS bypasses that and transfers an encrypted WhatsApp archive directly to the iPhone's local storage for restoration. Finally, install WhatsApp on the iPhone and verify with the same phone number used on Android. You must use the identical number so WhatsApp recognizes the account. When prompted, tap Restore to import the transferred messages and media from the Move to iOS payload. This step merges the archive into your new WhatsApp database. Once done, confirm chats and media are complete. If something goes wrong, retry the transfer after freeing storage. Updating both apps and ensuring stable Wi-Fi, these fixes resolve most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.